Hello all, I am going to try to share something with you. I was having a very huge noise on the Serpentine bell there. I think that, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. And what I did is I took this, then I throw it on the Serpentine bell a little bit, and I think that from that time the noise disappear. So if you have some noise there also, maybe you try to do the same. So you try to put, I don't know if I need to put too much. I just try to put that this liquid on Serpentine bed, and the noise disappear really. There is not noise there anymore. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.